Good morning, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, Navin, good morning.
Very good morning. Yesterday, we have completed the sample document process and we have started recurring document, if I'm not wrong. Correct?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So we have completed recurring document number ranges X1. Right up.
Difference between recurring and the sample document. You told.
Sorry?
Difference between sample and recurring document, the last point.
We have completed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what. Now we will see the configuration step for recurring document. First step. Write down the first step. Yeah. Define, first step, define document number ranges for entry view. Yesterday we have done sample document number ranges. Now today we are going to do recurring document. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Document. Document number ranges. Document number ranges. Documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Transaction code. Transaction code. FBN1. FBN1. The same thing what we did for yesterday. Okay, so just write it down. SPRO. Able to see the screen, right, everyone? SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. And from there, document. Select document. Select document. Document number ranges. Document number ranges. And as I said, that sample document and recurring document, we will have only entry view. We don't have general ledger view. Right. So here we need not to create number ranges for general ledger view. We need to create for entry view only. Okay. And next one here. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Again, I'll reiterate for everybody's benefit. SPRO path, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, and financial accounting global settings new, financial accounting global settings new, and from there, select a document, select a document. From there, select document number ranges. Select document number ranges. And from there, select documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Transaction code FBN1. Transaction code FBN1. Click on execute button. Click on execute button. Okay, click on execute button and give the company code. What is our company code? TI01
UT0.
UT01, right? UT01, and double click on change intervals. Click on change intervals, and from there click on insert intervals. Click on insert intervals. Okay. So what is the number range key we need to give? What is the number range key we have to give for recurring document? What is the number range key?
X1.
X1. X2 is for
Sample document.
sample document. X1. X1. Same. We are going to define for 2 years. 2022. 2023. From number, we are going to give 91,000. 91. 91. Write down the number ranges. Yes, someone has pinged in WhatsApp. Kindly share the meeting request today. Write down the document number. Sorry, it's 91. Write down this. So we are creating number ranges X1, number range key. This is SAP standard. Again, I am reiterating. Just remember X2 and X1. These are the standard number range keys. So most of the time they may ask you what is the number range key for recurring document or sample document. Okay. And no one will ask you what is the number range key for SA document type.
Okay.
Okay. So click on save button. So next step, copy to company code. Copy to company code. Next step, copy to company code. Copy to company code. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till documents in entry view. Till documents in entry view. And from there select copy to company code option. Copy to company code. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. OBH1. Okay. So here, copy to company code OBH1. So we are going to copy. So click on copy to company code. So click on. So here, what is our source company code?
UT01.
UT01. And however, our UU01 is not working. So what we are going to do is copy to company code UT02. That's it. UT02. And if you want to copy UU01, then it's click on here and click here UU01. Just write it down. Okay. Whatever we created, UT01 number ranges, everything will be copied to these two company codes. So click on execute. Click on copy or execute. So here it will show a message. Once you save, once you are saying, it will show a message. Sorry. Click on execute.
Do we need to give the year, fiscal year?
Sorry.
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year, it's not required, right? Everything will be copied. We have mentioned there.
Okay.
Not required.
Okay.
You have changed your setting. Do you want to really want to do this? Click on yes button. Okay. So you can see here, intervals are added. Okay. So any questions still here? Number ranges. And don't forget the transaction codes for number ranges, because we are doing for each, and see in the GL module, we are going to do the same recurring documents and everything we are going to do. In AP module, we are going to do AR module, we are going to do banking module, we are going to do, and as well as in asset accounting module, we are going to do. So please remember this transaction codes and path if possible. Fine. Next step, write down. Third step, define run schedule. Define run schedule. Define run schedule. Write down the path. Path same as above till document. Path same as above till document. Till document. And from there, select recurring entries. Select recurring entries. Select recurring entries. And from there, select define run schedules. Run schedule. Define run schedule. Transaction code OBC1. Transaction code OBC1. Okay. So here, till document, it's the same. Till document, it does the same. Fine.
Yes.
So here you have select, you need to select recurring entries. We need to select recurring entries. See, define run schedule, transaction code OBC1. 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 Define run schedules OBC1. Okay. So press new entries. We need to give run schedule ID. Run schedule ID. I'll give it an what is our company? You, right? You are S1. Anything we can give as per the okay. So I'll mention here as ultra run schedule for EMI. Just write it down. This is not standard again. It's as per the client requirement. URS1 we are giving as, okay, ultra run schedule for EMI. Is it done?
Yes.
So click on save button. Okay, so click on our own request. Click on own request, ultra. Click on OK. Okay. Next one, enter run dates. Next step, enter run dates. Right now, path same as above. Path same as above. Till recurring entries. Path same as above till recurring entries. And from there select enter run dates. Enter run dates. Transaction code OBC2. Transaction code OBC2. Transaction code OBC2. Okay. So I'm clicking on save once again. Back. See here. Enter run date. So remember, you have to remember, right? Our so run schedule ID we need to give. So give your run schedule, that is URS1. Don't forget this ID. And whatever IDs you are going to create, just remember that URS1. Okay. Give run schedule URS1 and click on OK button or continue button. Okay. And next click on new entries. Click on new entries. We need to give run dates here. So here we have already defined the dates, right? So we will see the dates. This one, 34/20/22. Thirtieth 4/2022. This is a manual step we need to do. June 30 days. Okay. July 31. August 31. September 30. October 31. November 30. December 31. January. Sorry, 31. February 28. March 31.
3101, right? 12.
Sorry.
3101.
Yeah, sorry. Just write it down. All month and dates we are giving. Okay, click on save button. Solve protect. So we have defined month and dates. Okay, and the thing is, we have created all the dates, month and dates, and with this step, we have done the configuration step. Next one, we need to create two GL accounts. Write down, create GL accounts. Create GL accounts. So path already I have given for GL accounts. So what are the accounts we need to create? EMI interest account, EMI interest payables account. So create create required GL accounts. Write down transaction code FS00. So directly click on FS00. So what are the accounts we need to create? Interest payables account, interest EMI interest account. So here we will do FS00 / and FS00. Okay. So company code we need to change UT01. Okay. So here first I'll create interest EMI interest account. Okay, the series. Yeah, 4,40,000. Okay, so I'll take it as. Okay. So click on create. Click on create. Okay. So here it is EMI interest account. So it is a financial charges. So we have created financial charges under group.
Expenses.
Okay. Yeah. Right. It's nothing but what is our this one functional area? U finance. If you remember, you can directly do it, but we have created UFIN.
Yes, UFI.
Ultratech. Next one, give the description. EMI interest account. This write it down. We are creating GL account. Financial charges. U finance. EMI interest account. Okay. Next, click on control data. Select only balance in local currency. Do we select open item? Do we select open item management for this particular one?
No, no.
Why?
It is not outstanding and prepaid.
Yeah, it's first of all, it's not a balance sheet item.
Yes.
Correct. So line item, check on line item display and sort key 001. Sort key 001. Write down as it is. So only balance in local currency. Select a line item display. Sort key 001. Okay. So next click on create bank interest tab. What is the field status group we need to give? What is the field status group we need to give?
G001.
G001 for?
General data.
This is for cost.
Cost G.
Don't forget this
G005.
Not 5. 5 is for bank account. G004 for cost accounts. Okay. G004. and click on save. Item has been. So we need to create one more EMI payable account. So I'll create 170, 100. Okay, click on create. Type description. So is it a balance sheet item or? Okay, so it's here. So balance sheet item. Current liabilities. Okay, current liabilities, write it down. Okay. So here we can write it as an EMI interest payable account. Write down this. Do we give functional area? Do we give functional area for this? Yes or no?
No,
Why?
it is not P&L.
Yeah. Write down this. Next one. Click on control data. Click on only balance in local currency. Do we select open item management for this particular account?
Yes,
Why?
it is outstanding, right?
Payable outstanding. Open item management, line item display, sort key. Okay, just write it down. Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay. Next one. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Okay. So here G00. Right now. So click on save. So we have created two GL accounts. Correct? One is EMI interest account, interest payable account. Okay. So next one. Next step. Posting recurring document with non-sequential dates. Right now. hosting a recurring document. Transaction code would be the same, path would be the same, but here we are going to do non-sequential. Host a recurring document with non-sequential dates. Write down path, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, reference documents, recurring document, transaction code, FBD1. Okay, so I'm going back. SAP menu, right? Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, write on document entry, reference documents, recurring document. Sample yesterday we have seen.
Yes, yes.
Write down. So we are doing non-sequential. Okay, click on a recurring document, FBD1. Okay, company code UT01, UT01. Okay, first one, 30th April 2022. Okay, last run on 31/3/2023. Okay, I need to use here run schedule.
URS1.
Yeah, URS1. Okay, you remember for non-sequential dates, whenever we are creating a non-sequential recurring document, we need to use run schedule. So already in the run schedule, we have already mentioned in this particular schedule the dates on which date it has to be performed, correct? Previous step before creation of GL accounts. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So click on select transfer amounts in local currency. And document type here SA. Okay, SA. Reference number I would like to give as an anything we can give REC01, recurring document, and here I'll mention it as an recurring non-sequential and here we are going to give not today's date, we need to give the date 30/4/2022. and posting key 40, 4,40,000. That is EMI interest account debited to EMI interest payable account. So already we have created 4,40,000. Write down. Once you're done, let me know. So write down careful with the check boxes and click on copy text also here. Checkbox. Because we are not giving taxes. So if you are giving taxes, then you need to select this transfer tax amount also. But here we are not giving any sort of taxes as of now. So we'll select. We won't select this. Okay. Yeah, is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Press enter. First one is in the past. No problem. Press enter. What is the amount we have taken? 36,000. So mention 36,000. 36,000. And give the text. EMI. Interest provision. $50 is the credit entry right now. So 1,70,000, 1,70,000, 100. Right now. Amount 36,000. Text EMI interest provision and 1,70,100. GL account 50 credit. So interest EMI interest account debited to EMI interest payable account. And press enter. Start to copy the amount. Plus mark to copy the text. And business area. UHYD. Profit center U1000. And careful with the dates. So here value date should be 30th 4th. Right on. So we have created with this, we have created a template. So click on save button. Click on post or save button. Okay. Okay. So this is, so here, this is with non-sequential. Remember the document number 91 lakhs. Okay. With non-sequential. Now we are going to create with the sequential one more document. Write down, create a recurring document with the sequential dates. Create a recurring document with sequential dates. Okay, non-sequential we have already done. We'll see one more entry of recurring. create recurring document with sequential dates. Same transaction code, same path and same transaction code. So here first one will be on 015 2022. Okay, so here last one would be on 1st March 2023, 0103 2023. So intervals months, every month we want to do it. Every month per month. So here we can select the option intervals per month and run date. So run date on 1st. So here when we are giving run date and intervals in months, so need not to give run schedule. So in the previous one we have not given the intervals in months. Clear? We have given first run and the last run, but run date, intervals in months and run date we have not given for non-sequential. And sequential we are giving additional two things, that is intervals in month and run date. So when we are giving this, then need not to give run schedule. You remember the notes it's also I have mentioned. For non-sequential, we need to take a run schedule. We need to define run schedule. If it is a sequential, then we need not to define run schedule. Any questions on this? Yes, no?
So here, regarding the dates, earlier we have taken start date and end date. Okay.
Both the things we have taken, start date and end date.
Start date 30 and okay, last date for the non-sequential. For the sequential, we are taking every month, every day. Okay.
What do you mean by every day?
I'm just confused here. So here the start date, last day of the month, 30th, 4 we have taken, and last date 3103 for
Correct.
non-sequential.
Correct.
For the sequential, you have taken 1/5/2022 and till 23 of Jan. Okay.
Jan, is it Jan?
It March.
Hmm.
Okay. Jan to till next year.
Where is the Jan, man?
Sorry, May, right? May to till next year March.
Correct.
Okay, that means every day it will run.
Not every day. Why every day?
Okay,
Why
every
you-
month it will run. Every month.
Correct. Correct.
So every month, start of the month it will run, or every year non-sequential, every month, end of the month it will run, right?
Yes. Here we need to give run schedule, and here we are not supposed to give any run schedule.
Yes, that is the difference. Start of the month, end of the month.
Correct. Because the dates are sequential here. Every
Yes.
month first, but here it is not sequence. One month it is coming with 30th, another month it is closing on 31st. 1 month it's going to close on 28th.
Got it.
Yesterday we did this, right?
The difference, where the difference is coming, which is
Again, dates, right? Sequential and non-sequential.
yes, got it.
So same thing. Transfer amounts in local currency. Copy this. Document type SA. Recurring 02. Document header text. Document header text. And date you can change it first. 01/05 2022. Translation date. EMI. Payment entry. Debit 40. So we are reversing the entry. 1,70,100. So here EMI payable account debited to EMI interest account. Write down this particular entry. EMI interest account debited to cash account. Write down the entry. So company code, first and last one, intervals in month, run date. Okay. And no need of front schedule. Fine. Select checkbox for transfer amounts in local currency. Copy text, give the document type reference. Okay. Translation date, document header text. And posting key debit, interest payable account, and press enter.
So Naveen, regarding the currency INR, it will be as per the company code currency.
Correct. Local currency.
If we are taking UU0, it will automatically select the currency as per
Of
the
course. Of course. It will take USD.
Okay.
You are not giving manually, right? Currency.
Yes, just check it.
Yeah. Press entry. So amount again 36,000. Give the amount 36,000. Okay. Business area. Business area. UHYD. Profit center. U1000. U1000. And next one, value date 01/05/2022. And here EMI payment entry. EMI payment entry 50. Cash account 2,40,000. Right now. Okay. Press enter. Press enter. Hope everyone has written this.
Yes.
Start to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Plus to copy the text. Value date has to be changed. 01/05/2022. $36,000 EMI payment entry 01/05/2022. Okay, click on save button. Start to copy the amount, plus mark to copy the text and change the value date. And plus. So one more document with 91 series. Okay. Okay, you can see here document. $36,000. Right now. So how many documents we have created? How many recurring documents we have created? Am I audible?
Yes, Naveen. Yes.
Reply.
Okay. Sorry, you saved, right?
Sorry.
Yes, yes, fine. Okay.
How many documents we have created, recurring documents?
Now we have created two non-sequential, sequential.
Sequential. So let's write down. We will see the status of recurring document. Write down. Display recurring document list. Display recurring documents list. Write down. Path same as above. Display recurring document list. Display recurring document list. Okay. A path same as above till general ledger. Path same as above till general ledger. Path same as above till general ledger. From there select periodic processing. Periodic processing. Recurring entries. Recurring entries. Lists. From there select lists. Transaction code F.15. Transaction code F.15. Okay, I'll repeat for everybody's benefit. Path, SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, general ledger, general ledger, periodic processing, periodic processing, periodic processing, recurring entries, F.15 lists. Click on LISTS lists. So whatever documents we have created, recurring documents, we can view in this. F.15. Double click on F.15. Give your company code UT01 and click on execute. Give the company code. It's only a report, nothing else. Give the company code. You can see here 91 lakhs and 91.1. Clear. Two recurring documents we have created. 91.0, 91.1. Both are created in today's date only. April 30th, May 1st. This is today's date. Ending date is 31st March and next one is 1st March. This will be executed in April month and this will be executed in May. Okay. And here we have, all right. We have here given run schedule and here we have not mentioned any run schedule. Okay. So how many recurring we have created? We have 0. Clear? Any questions? Yes, no. Sorry?
No.
I didn't get you.
No.
No, right? Next one. Click on next one, execute recurring document. Next step. Write on execute the recurring activity or recurring document within the bracket month end activity. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till recurring entries. Till recurring entries. From there, select execute. From there, select execute. Transaction code F.14 or F.14. F.15 for a list and F.14 for execute. Okay, so go back. So here F.14. Okay. So here give your company code UT01 and give your document numbers, non-sequential and sequential. Okay. Fiscal year 2022. Right up. Fiscal year 2022. And settlement period. Settlement period. Settlement period 01/04/2022. And same thing, 30th April, first run, 30th April 04/2022. Write down as it is.
So what does this activity means? I mean, so we have given the settlement period.
Means automatically whatever recurring document we have cleared, automatically it will be posted on 1st April date, and another one is on 30th April date. First it will be posted on 1st April and next 30th April date. So we need not to post manually those two documents. Every month we need to do it, right? The activity.
Oh, okay. So without giving this, it will not run.
Of course, right. This is the only step we need to do manually.
Okay, this is like a job at the back end.
Correct. We are defining the job.
Okay, okay.
So batch input name, we are leaving it blank as of now, and hold processed session, we are leaving it blank. I'll explain these two also. Okay. Done. Is it done, everyone? Click on execute. Okay. So there is a standard message will be executed. So click on execute. You can see session SAP F120 was created. This is a standard one because the session name, batch session name, we have not defined here session name. So that's the reason it is taking from SAP standard one. Write down this. Write down this. Session SAP F120 was created. Okay. So if you mention any batch input session here, then it will be created here with that particular name. Okay. Just write it down. Just write it down. If you want, just write down the note also. If we give batch input session name, if we give batch input session name, and it will be created with the session name. It will be created with session name. Or if we kept session name blank, then it will take SAP standard session. SAP standard session. Remember this. Okay. Any questions still here? So unless until we execute this particular session, the document will not be created. Okay. Any questions?
So Naveen, regarding the dates, I'm confusing here.
Boss, once I will run, then you will understand.
I don't know your settlement period. So
That's
April 1st you have given,
correct.
but the sequential date you have taken May 1st.
This is not sequential, right?
Mhm.
That's what I'm saying here. I have given two document numbers. One will be performed on 30th of every month, and another one will be performed every month next. That's the reason I'm telling. First, let me run the job, then you will understand.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Next one. Write down. Execute batch input session. How to execute batch input session? So whatever session we have created, write down.
You clicked on save, right?
Sorry.
You clicked on save.
Correct. Then it has been created.
Okay.
Have you written this?
Yes.
Write down. How to execute batch input session? Write down system. Write down the path. System. Services. Batch input sessions. Okay. So you are able to see your systems. How to execute batch input session. Click on from the system menu. Select services. Select batch input sessions. System menu, select services. From there, select a batch input. And from there, select sessions. From there, select sessions. Write down the transaction code. Right. Transaction code SM35. Transaction code SM35. Systems menu, select services. Okay, batch input sessions. So you can write the transaction code. I'll write for everybody's benefit in the notes. SM35. Write down this. Okay, so again I'm going systems, services, batch input, sessions. Any questions still here? So either we can go with the path or you can go with the directly transaction code, SM35. We have created SAP date today's date. Okay, the latest one will be shown on first. So select SAP F120. SAP F120. Select SAP F120. Next, click on process button. Select SAP F120. Click on process button. Click on process button. Click on process button. Okay. We can execute in 3 modes the process. Okay, one is okay. Here it will be shown process foreground, in the sense it will show how the recurring document will be converted as a normal document. Clear? And here it will show if you select display errors only. Okay, display errors only, in the sense it will show only the errors, if at all, anything in the program. And same time, background mode, in the sense nothing will be processed. Step by step, it will not show directly, it will be created document. Understood? Process foreground, in the sense we can see how the steps manually, if you are doing step by step, if you select this, it will show step by step. Display errors only, in the sense it will show only the errors part. Clear? And if you select background, in the sense it will not show the step by step. Every step will be run in the background and it will show directly a document. Any questions? So we will see first process foreground. Select process foreground and click on process. Any questions still here? Because we can't come back to this again. If at all, any questions?
No.
So click on process. Click on process. See, as I said that we can see step by step. It is taking the data automatically. So on 31, provisional entry is posting here. See here, 30th, it is posting. We need to press enter. 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 Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Okay. So we need to press enter. Okay. Session overview. Okay, write down to here. Last processing batch input session completed. Okay. See here. See, after execution of session, the session has been expired. There is no 8th date. There is no 8th date. Able to see?
Where?
Here you can see the date.
Yes.
Which date it is showing?
Jan 23.
January 1st. I'm
Yes.
asking date. But
Yes.
which date it has to be? Supposed? Today's date, right?
Yes.
Earlier it was showing today's date, right?
Okay. Okay.
That particular batch has been expired because we have executed that batch. Once we executed that batch, then it is complete. Once it completed, here it will not appear that particular date. The old one, it is appearing here. Clear?
Yes.
Not showing anything here. Means it's expired. So there is an option, hold checkbox option, right? If you're not selecting that, then every time we need to create the session name. So that's the reason we have not selected that. The session has been expired. Okay.
So this date is the last run date, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Next one we will see. So we will see, we will repeat the transaction again. /n again. /n f.14. So I'll give you some changes. Company code UT01. Okay. Document numbers. Document numbers. Fiscal year 2022. We have already run recurring document for April month. Now we are going to run for May month. So May month we will see. (31/05/2022). Okay, and here, see here, last time we have not selected hold process decision. Okay. If we are, what is this here? Batch input session. If I'm leaving it blank, then which session name it will take?
SAP system.
What is that? What is the
SAP SAPF 120.
it will take the bank input session, SAP standard one, SAP F120. Clear? So here, for example, if you want to give, for example, I want to give user defined name. Ultra recurring May month. Ultra recurring for the month of May. Okay. Ultra recurring for the month of May. I want to create user defined session name. Now you see, keep the checkbox, hold processed session. What happens if we are selecting this particular hold processed session? In the sense, see, after executing the document, also the session will not expire. It will be there in the list. It will show in the list. So every time you need not to change, you can run the session as it is. I'll show you that.
Sorry, Navin, I just want to note it down.
See here, after, if we select this checkbox, what happens is after executing the document, the session will not expire. It will show in the list. Clear? Earlier, whatever session was there, SAP 120 was expired, right? Because we have not selected hold processed session. But
yes,
we are keeping hold, we are keeping it, the session name as it is. So it will not expire. It's going to be show in the list. Clear?
Okay. So, okay, we'll see it.
Yeah. Okay. So normally we need to keep hold processed session because for analysis purpose, error purpose, we can check it. Okay. So to remember these two things.
Okay.
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 Write down this. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. Okay, so here you can see here. Session ultra recurring May. UREC May has been created. Earlier it was created with SAP standard one, but now yes, it is created with UREC May. Write down this message. This session to be executed now. Unless until we won't execute this session, the document will not be posted. Once we execute this session, the document will be posted in. Okay. So click on system.
So without without giving the batch session name also, we can select hold processing session.
Yes.
Okay. So that system will keep it active for SAP default one also.
Sorry.
System will keep the batch session will not get expired. The SAP standard one also will not get expired if you select the old process.
Correct. Okay. Click on sessions. Services, batch input, sessions. System, services, batch input, sessions. And what is the transaction code?
It's SM35.
Yes. Whatever batch we want to run, we need to run all the batches in SM35 only. SM35, you can see the here, SM35. Now you can see here your batch session. So here you can see the date 8/1. Right? Okay, next one. Select UREC May. You just focus on, earlier it was 8th date with SAP F120. Okay, we have not selected hold processed. That's the reason it was after execution, it got expired. But now you can see we have selected this. Now you can see click on process button. 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 Select process foreground. Process foreground. Select process foreground. Okay, click on process. Same thing. Press enter. Again, we need to press enter. You can see the dates now. Enter, 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 enter. One provisional entry and one payment entry has been posting. Okay, click on session overview. 120 has been expired. Okay, session overview. Click on session overview. Click on session overview button. See here, you can see. It's already there. It's not expired. You can see the date and your session name. Understood now?
So expired means how we are
It will
saying
not,
that.
see, expired in the sense it will not appear in the list if you're not selecting hold.
So earlier also SAP PF 120 it is showing the second one.
But what is the date you can see, right? Whatever date you are running, that date should be there, right? Which date it is?
Jan 1st.
Jan 1st. But which date we have run the previous one?
Today's date.
What is today's date?
Previous one April 1st.
What is today's date? I'm asking.
Today's date, 8th Jan.
8th Jan. Is it showing SAP 120 on 8th Jan?
No, it is not showing.
Because after execution, we have not selected hold process batch session. So that's the reason. Hold process session. So after execution, that has got expired. That's the reason it is not showing in the list.
Okay. So today's date did not show. So
Because
earlier
why it is showing in the sense, probably they have select this is old batch process for the previous one. But try to understand. Try to analysis.
I got it. Since we did not select the old one, the today's date was not showed. It got expired and showed with the last payment.
SAP F120, is it there with today's date?
No.
Why?
Because not selected the hold process.
Correct. And after executing, it will be expired in the sense, what does it mean? It will not show in the list. Clear? And here for this particular session name, we have selected hold process session. Even though we are executed the doc, let me finish.
Okay.
We have selected hold process session for this particular session name. Okay, after executing also, this particular session name is existing. It's not expired. And it is showing in the list.
Yeah, got it.
Tell me your question now.
So got it. So if it shows the run date, I mean today we ran it, so it will show the date by selecting the hold process. This is for the, as you mentioned, analysis and any errors tracking and all. It will help. Okay. Got it.
Okay, after execution also. Now you can see select the session and click on analysis button. See if it is there, then we can analysis. If you're not selecting hold process one, then we can't analysis the session. So click on select your ECMAY and click on analysis. Click on analysis. Click on analysis. Click on analysis button. Okay, so here you can see both are processed. Clear? And here you can see logs tab. Okay, here you have again log tab. So here you can see every activity. The session was processed by Naveen with A mode, in the sense foreground mode. So you can see the document number. It has created 31, 32, 2 transactions we have done. 2 transactions read it without any errors. We can do complete analysis. Complete analysis. Understood? What is the difference?
Got it. A mode is
what is the first option? What is the option we have selected?
Processing batch.
Foreground mode.
Yes.
I told you, right? 3 options will be there. Display errors, foreground mode, and automatic. Background.
Got it.
Okay, write down. Understood, right? Why we need to hold the process? Because we can analysis.
Yes.
Okay, next one, write down. Okay, so next one.
Naveen, regarding the dates.
Sorry?
Regarding the dates.
Let me finish. I'll show you the documents once, then you try to understand.
Okay.
Just wait for some time.
Okay.
Okay, write down. To execute, to see the list. Write down. Write down. To view the report, recurring posted document report, transaction code is FAGLV03. Write down the report transaction FAGL. Okay. FAGLV03. FAGL, sorry, it's a not V, it's a B. So FAGLV03.
To view the recurring posted document.
Correct. Report.
Okay. No path for this.
Okay. Next year, give the GL account number. EMI interest payable account. If you remember, then it's okay. If you don't remember, then you can 171, 100. 170, 100. Give the GL account number, company code, fiscal year. GL by default, it will take ledger. Yeah, you are asking something.
No path for this, right?
No.
Okay.
FAGLV03 transaction code. So click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. See here. Credit first month, April month. On 30th, it has been posted. Provisional entry has been posted. And second month, it has been May month, it has been paid. Clear? Every month it's going to be posted automatically. Clear? Now understood. Here, see, you can see here. See, on 30th for 2022, month end date, the provisional entry has been posted.
Okay.
Clear? You understood now the date? 30th 4.
Yes. So settlement processing date you have given 0104 and the end date is 3004.
Automatically, it will take the last month date because we have defined the dates, right?
Okay, different. Last month date it will
Yeah,
take.
exactly. Okay. So that's the reason I asked you to wait. Now you can see the provisional entry payment date.
Okay.
You can see on which date it is going to pay.
Okay, okay. 31st.
Clear?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now we will see. Now write down status of recurring document. Status of recurring document, transaction code F.15. To see the status F.15.
Status of recurring.
Status of recurring document. F. Status of recurring document. Write down F.15. F.15. Press enter. Give company code UT01. Give your company code UT01 and click on execute button. Let's remember, right? So here everything explained here. The status was showing 0 runs. Clear?
Sorry, status.
Was earlier showing how many recurring documents we have posted?
We have posted 2.
2, right?
Yes.
You can see here. Earlier it was showing, when we saw the list, it was showing 0 and 0 here.
Okay. Okay.
Correct. Now how many we have posted here?
Yeah, it is showing 0 and 0. Yes.
Right. Here it is showing April and May. And we have executed only for 1 run. This document we have run for 2 months. This we have executed only for 1 month, that is May month. Thus we have run for 2 months, April and May, and here it has been run for only 1 month. Correct? So here the status you can see here. What is the next one you can see here? 30th June and June 1st. Provisional entry 30th June and payment entry on 1st June. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That means so whatever the dates, the dates we have given, right? So
That's
the first of the month we need to take. Okay.
sorry.
So since we have taken these 0104 and 3804, right?
Correct.
So here the non-sequential dates 3004.
See,
Okay.
one is sequential based, another one we have given sequential 105. What are the dates we have given? Why you are
Yes,
getting confused? I'm not
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah. First one we
That's
have
the reason after executing, before that I was asking you, is it you understood or not?
got it, Naveen. I got it. Just we need
But
to.
you are making confusion, Raj.
So
I'm sorry to say.
first step for non-sequential we have taken April 1st to 30 April.
Correct.
And other one we have taken 1st May to 31st.
That is, we have given 2 documents, right?
Yes.
One is a sequential document, non-sequential document, and another one is sequential document.
Yes, got it.
And we have run here for non-sequential, we have run 2 entries, 2 transactions. And for sequential, we have run only 1 entry.
1 entry. Okay.
Right. And here you can see non-sequential, the next run date would be on 30th of Jan, what we call 30th of June. And here we have done only 1 entry, that is for May month. And now we need to run, this is for provisional entry and this is for payment entry.
Okay. Okay.
Clear? And if we are trying to do here, what is the run date next it is showing?
30th.
30th what?
30 June.
30th June. And here it is showing?
1st June.
For example, if you want to run for July month, after we want to skip this and we want to run July month, then the system will not allow us.
Okay.
If we are skipping this one, we are skipping this month.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So we will don't write this. I'll show you. If we are actually 30th 6 we need to run and first 1/6 we need to run. If I skip this, what would be the issue? We will see. Just don't write this, just see. /n f.14. I'm skipping 1 month. What would be the impact?
Okay, that means
run for July month. Don't
so
write
that means system default it will run on 30th June. But
yes,
again we are skipping and running it for July.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm supposed to mention 30th June date, but here we are skipping the settlement period, June month, and I'm running July month.
Okay. So normally it will run every month by default by the system. We are just to to show us you're running it.
That's it. What happens if we are skipping?
Okay.
Okay, July month. So I'm just selecting hold processed session. Okay. Now you can see, click on, you can, if you want to give session name, you can, but I don't want to give. What is the date? Sorry, 2021 I have taken. I'm sorry. You see here 2022. Okay, old processed. July month. See here, you can see session SAP F120. SAP F120 was not created. Why? Why it's not created?
Because June yet to be run by the system.
Yes, right. If we give June month, then it will run. Now you click on 30/6/20 dates, careful. SAP session SAP F120 was created. Okay. Now you can go with system. Understood, right? Now we are not skipping any month. Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Session. Now you can see the date which we skipped. Actually, this is a wrong entry because we have taken old date 2021. So here you can see this, the latest one, date 8/1/2023, right? So now, okay. So here this time I would like to, okay, this time I'll select this, click on process. So here, instead of going process foreground, I'll select display errors only. Display errors only. I'm selecting display errors. So it will not show step by step. Click on process. If no errors are there, then automatically it will post the entry. Clear?
Got it.
Right? If I'm selecting the process foreground, then it will show step by step. Enter, enter, enter. If you're selecting either, okay, display errors, then it will automatically post it. Clear?
Got it. But one thing, so how we are while running it manually, so how we are segregating between the sequential and non-sequential dates?
Sorry.
How we are differentiating the sequential and non-sequential?
What we have done, or again you are coming back again, non-sequential, did we define the dates or not? Did we define dates or not?
While running the job.
Not running the job, before configuration, in the configuration.
Okay, okay. No, we have not.
We have not defined.
Okay. Yeah, defined.
On that particular configuration based, when you have selected non-sequential, when we have created non-sequential, we have given non-sequential dates, then when we executed, there is a document number generated, right? 91 lakhs.
Yes, yes.
Right, in that, what does it mean? 91 lakhs is related to what?
It is non-sequential.
What is 91/1?
Non-sequential only.
Non-sequential only.
So 91/1. Okay. So sequential. Okay, yes, sequential.
So did we mention any dates in the sequential?
No.
Did we mention any dates in the non-sequential in 91 lakhs?
Yes, we have mentioned.
Then why you are asking this question?
Okay, let me.
As per the, sorry?
Let me go through the recording first. Okay.
Boss, try to first understand this. I won't share recordings then.
No, it's not like that. I understood the concept, but what confusing.
See,
okay.
I step by step I'm explaining. Again, I have taken here dates manually, everything.
Yes,
now
it's fine.
Asking, after running the batch, you are asking how the system is taking the dates, because we have created, once we have configured, the document has been generated, right?
Yes, yes,
91 lakhs, and this is for 91/1. This document number, that's the reason I asked you to write it down. And this document number has been generated as an 1. When we are defining document numbers in the process,
got it, Naveen. Fine, fine. No problem.
no, but not a problem. See here, whatever the document dates we are giving here, what are the document dates document numbers we are giving here?
Yes, it's a non-sequential.
This is what?
It's a non-sequential sequential.
Right? Whatever settlement period we are changing, right?
Yes.
Are we changing or not? So as per the settlement period, it will take the dates which we configured.
Yes, yes.
And as per the settlement period, it will take the next month date.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Fine, Naveen.
For example, yeah. I'll run. Okay, I'll run for all the months. For example, SI01. What is our company code? I'll run in F.14. Okay, company code. UT01. I would like to run for all the months. Okay, till December. Okay, settlement period. So here, whatever settlement period we are giving, that plays a vital role. 01, 7/20/22, 31, 7/20/22. Any questions still here?
No.
Right, so clear. I'm running everything. System. So selecting the latest one, 1143. I'm selecting process. Sorry, this is not the one. I have not selected that. Okay, fine. So we can, in the same way, we can run the complete thing. The requested session cannot be processed. Let me try again. F.14 /n F.14 company code. So here I have not mentioned the fiscal year. So mention the fiscal year 2022. Right? Settlement period. One 7 31/7. Okay, fiscal year is mandatory. And here I'll select hold process. Okay, I'm not giving session name. Okay, so click on execute. See here, SAP F120 has been created. Now go to system, services, dash input, sessions. Okay, this is the latest one. You can see 1152. In my system, it's 1152. Date 8th. Earlier, it was not created because we have not given fiscal year. Now you can see, click on process and select display errors only and click on process. Okay, processed session, input session completed. Session overview. Okay, so 1152. Okay, I'll go back. F.14. F.14. Now I'll tell you. Okay, so you can create it as a variant. Okay, now what I'm getting, instead of giving all the details, so only settlement period we can change. That is 1 August, 1st August 2022 and 31st August 2022. So every time, instead of giving all the details, UT01, fiscal year, and okay, whatever hold processed session. So what we can do is we can create variant. Okay, give all these parameters. Click on save button. Instead of execute, click on save button. So we can save it as a variant. So instead of giving every time all the details, we can give the variant name. Just save it. Okay. Okay. I'll create it as a variant name. U recurring 1. Okay. I'll write here as an ultra recurring documents. Clear? And no need to change anything. Just click on save button.
Yes.
So here it will show it as a variant UREC1 will be created.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Okay, you can see if you want, click on save button. You can see your variant name.
Okay.
Okay. So if we come out,
So normally in the real time, so once we created this, the system will take everyone
correct.
as a job,
Yeah.
as jobber.
Yes. So
Okay.
I'll come out. So here F.14 I'll come. So select a variant,
Okay.
get variant. So here variant name. Select a variant. Click on execute. This is our recurring document, right? Select this. So automatically everything is got updated here. Only we need to change the dates, that's it if required.
Okay, if we wanted to run at a time for the complete start to end, so we will take the April 1st date. Okay, the
Yes.
end date would be uh, like Feb
March.
end. Feb.
Why you will run at a time yearly, right? It's a month-end activity.
Normally system will run the backend every month. So
Yes.
okay.
What's your question? I didn't understand.
Got it, Naveen. So system will run on a monthly basis. So we are running it yearly.
System, not only system, because this particular process will run when
Every
you maintain the provision.
Yeah, every month.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay. So write down this. So we have given the variant and it got automatically all the dates.
So if we get the errors, so what kind of how the errors, like if we did not give the dates properly or the document was
You
not
need to change manually then.
okay. Mhm.
It clearly shows the errors, right?
Okay.
There is no challenging things. We are giving a simple terms only.
Okay. Just now it showed it should run for the June month, and we are running skipping.
Just now we have seen, right? We have skipped.
Yes.
The session has been not created.
Yes.
You can go and check the error log.
Okay.
Batch input sessions. So here you can see 1158, 1159. So this is our first one. If you want to see the foreground, then click on process. I want to go with foreground. Okay. So step by step.
No, click on background once at a time. It will run.
We will see that.
Okay.
Because I'm running number of times, right? So session overview. Now next one more September month. I've got 1.4. Here, get variant. Get variant. Click on execute. Select yes. And just change 9th period. 30th September. Okay, just we are changing now. All the details are same. Just we are changing the dates.
Yes.
Okay, 30th September. And session will be created after executing it. Okay, next click on session. System. Services. Batch input. Session. So now you can see with the background mode. Click on process. Okay. So here now I'm hope the same thing you asked, right?
Yes.
So here click on process. Background instance, it will take little time. One session, say transfer to background processing. Everything it will all the process it will check.
Okay.
All the sessions which are open, everything it will check.
Okay.
You can see here how many sessions it is checking. 536 sessions.
Oh, okay.
Clear.
Got it. Yeah, got it.
So here it should be in green mark. Still it is running.
Okay, okay.
So you can see here. Still it is running. Still it is running. Because 536 it need to check. So that's a problem with the background mode. Means it will check each and every session.
Okay. So normally, end user will prefer the.
Either foreground mode or display with errors.
Okay.
So till when we need to refresh this? Till here it should check with. Means
Green.
backend we are doing it. It should be green.
Yes.
See here, now it's successfully completed. Able to see?
Yes.
It's processed. August to September we have executed, I think. September we have executed. So I like. So get variant. Okay. So here we have given.
September. Yeah, September we have done it.
So October we need to give. Okay. So same thing. Click on execute. Session was created. Same system. Services. Batch input. Sessions. So here I'll go with. Select the latest one, 12.5. 12.5. So here I'll go with display errors only because it would be a little faster. Session completed. Okay. Let me create.
Can you please just show the entry once?
I'll show you all together.
Okay. Okay.
అందుకోసమే నేను చూపిస్తాను ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ లేదంటే ఒకటే చూపించేసి క్లోజ్ చేసేవాడిని.
Okay. Okay. I think this is the most important topic also, right, in the GL.
No, yeah, almost, but it again depends. October month we have done, November month, right?
November. Yes.
November. But yeah. Click on execute. Okay. Click on process. Display errors only. Process. That's it. So if you want to execute December month also, we can do that.
Yes, we can execute. December and Jan, for the December and Jan, we need to change the
Yeah.
fiscal date, right?
By December, you will change.
No, not
December, it's not required, right?
December to Jan. Jan, we are burning.
Huh?
Yes, yes, we will not change for the December.
December, that would be 31st December only, 2022
Yes.
only.
Yes, for the Jan, we will
January, it's still not completed, so we can't make a provision now.
okay, okay. In the next year only, we will do that.
Correct. Done. So up to date, we have created now.
Yes.
Or you can see process foreground, December month. See here, you can see next one, automatically it is picking.
Yes.
Okay, posting date 31/12. Document date 31/12. Clear?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Now we can see the list. What is the transaction code? What is the transaction code to see the list?
F.15
Status,
status, right?
GL status.
Status of recurring document.
Till December, we have posted the entries. See, click on execute. 36 provision, payment 36. 36 provision. So up to 9th period, it is completed. Clear? So these are already completed periods. Now we are coming into this live month. Clear?
Yes, yes.
So now I would like, now we are came into live part, right? So next month, without any manual intervention, the job has to be processed automatically,
Yes. Next one.
right?
Yeah.
First and 31st.
Yes.
Okay, in the background mode, it has to be, okay. Okay, right now. Setup. Setup, recurring document. Recurring document execution in, sorry, background mode. Setup, recurring document execution in background mode. See here, how to schedule. Okay, so write down. Set up a recurring document in background mode, or you can write it as in schedule recurring document with background mode.
1 minute.
Set up recurring document Go to
Okay.
F.14. Transaction code F.14.
Path, Naveen?
Already have given right F.14 path.
Yeah,
Same path.
Okay.
F.14. Okay, we can select the variant here. Choose variant. EUREC1. I'm just giving for January now. So here for your benefit. The same question you asked, right?
Yes, at a time. Yeah.
So write it down these parameters once again.
Yeah, right. And the fiscal year should be 2023, right?
Of course, right? Why 2023?
Okay, so we have initiated from 2022.
What is the fiscal year this is?
Yeah, this is a so if we are got it. If we are doing it for the next month, then we'll change it.
Why it will change? Till March, it will be 2022 fiscal year only, right? Till
Yes,
31st March.
got it.
1st April, the fiscal year will be get changed, not with the
Yes,
calendar year.
yes, got it. As per the fiscal year, we report. Based on our calendar year, right, or April to March concept, right?
Right. Okay, write down the parameters as it is. Write down SAP user.
Yes.
On the processed session. Username and hold processed session. So here probably a SAP user will be there and hold process session. So till here the process is same.
Okay.
Okay, and click on save. Click on save. Instead of execute, click on save. Okay. Same variant name I'm giving. Here, give only for background processing. Only for this checkbox is very important. Only for background processing. Only for background processing.
Okay.
Okay, so select this and click on save button. Click on save. So do you want to overwrite variant? Just click on yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. So variant has been created. Additionally, we have selected only execute in background mode. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to programs menu. programs menu, select program menu, execute in background mode. Select execute in background mode. Select program, execute in background mode.
Okay.
So click on execute background one. So output device LP01.
It is default,
Enter.
right?
Yeah. Press enter. Press enter.
Okay.
Write down the details. Okay. We will get screen like this. Printer LP01. Okay. So normally immediate button will be there, but date and time here we need to future we are doing. So date and time. Click on date and time tab. Right on. Click date and time tab. Okay. Again, the next schedule will start from 01 February, right? 2022. Sorry, 2023. Okay. So I'll mention midnight, it need to start 12 a.m. Okay, and it should end on 1st April 2023. 1st April 2023. Okay. Time also same. And select here, keep periodic job. Monthly once it need to execute automatically without any manual intervention. So January, now we are doing February, March, April. Okay. January month will be executed in February. February month will be executed in the month of March. March 1st. March month, 1st May. April 1st. Clear?
Yes.
So periodic job. So right up. Click on. Okay. Should be colon here format. If it is wrong, then it will show it as an error. Next one, click on period values. Click on period values.
Okay.
Click on period values and select here monthly. Select here monthly. Select here monthly.
Okay.
Okay, and save it. Click on save button.
So you have given the time 12 a.m. right?
Right.
So how our system took it? I mean, it did not have any AM PM over there.
See what it's 24 time, right? That's the reason I have given time in the sense 12 o'clock in the sense early morning, 12 o'clock.
Okay.
It will take the clock of your server time. AP.
Okay.
Next, click on save button.
We wanted to give on the day at 6 a.m.
Normally that will be run early morning only.
Okay.
First, as it is, the provisional entry will be made. See, if you are maintaining after login time, then the probably user will post the entries, right?
Yes, it will be in the night only. So Okay. If you wanted to give 2
Means
o'clock,
whatever time you want to give, you can give.
okay. 2 o'clock means 2.
It will post it on 2 o'clock. Whatever time you are going to mention, the time will be, the entry will be posted accordingly.
Okay.
It's not that normally the things, what is the procedure I'm doing, real time. But if you want to deviate something, you can do it.
Okay. Okay.
So click on save button. You can write background job was scheduled for, write on this one, background job SAP F120. Okay, now you can see this particular job will be executed. Okay, in the next month, you can remind me so that we can see this, or you can do it on your own and you can see the entries every month.
Okay. So after doing the configuration, we can do it. If we start from the April month directly, then we can give every month it will take.
Yes, means if you are doing already, you are in the initial stage, you are config, you are implementing on 1st April, then you can do the complete this thing. But
Yes.
you are doing already, you are in the middle and you are implementing SAP.
Okay. From the next month, we will dates we will.
Yes, manually those things will be posted, and future dates, whatever current day, current month or future month, we need to do the batch, the execution automatical process.
Okay. Okay. But
Okay. So that is the setting of. Next one, write down display recurring document. Next one, display recurring document. Display recurring document. This one, display recurring document. Path same as above, till recurring document. Path same as above, till recurring document. Path same as above, till recurring document. Select change. And select transaction code is FBD2. FBD2.
FBD3.
D2.
Display recurring document.
Oh, sorry, D3. We are not doing changes, right? We are doing FBD3.
Okay.
Okay, SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. Document. Reference documents. A recurring document. See here, display. FBD3. Okay. So give the document number, fiscal year, and company code. Fiscal year. Give the document number, same like your FB03.
Okay.
You can see your document. Only entry view will be there. No GL view. You can see here EMI interest account debit to EMI interest payable account. 36,000, 36,000. Okay. Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Next one. Change recurring document. Change recurring document. Path same as above.
1 minute.
Path same as above. Till a recurring document. A recurring document. From there, select change. Transaction code. FBD2. FBD2. Yeah. FBD2.
Okay.
Change recurring document FBD2. So FBD2.
Okay.
Okay. So give the document number. Okay. So just give me a second time. Okay. Next, click on display document header button. So you can change here EMI provisional entry. EMI 22 fiscal year question mark for the month. Header text I'm changing EMI provisional entry reference. Okay, yeah, reference number I'm changing to EMI 22 question mark. So anything you can change it. Only these two fields we can change it. And click on OK. And coming to the line item, double click on line item. Okay. Change the amount to 42,000. 42,000. EMI interest amount for the month of okay, if it is a May month, you can give May month, June month or July month, you can give. Okay. Write on this. We are changing the amount in line item. Okay. And click on next line item. Display next item. We have changed the amount and we have changed the text. Okay. Click on display next item. Click on next item. So either you can give the amount manually 42,000.
Call from Balakrishna Arya.
Clear? 42,000. And here or you can mention here plus symbol. Plus. Plus to copy the text. Okay, what I'll do is I'll mention here Write down this.
Okay.
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 Save it. Click on save button. So your changes have been saved. Changes have been saved. Next one. Next one. Display changes in recurring document. Display changes in recurring document.
Okay.
Path same as above. Path same as above. Till display changes. Till display changes. Transaction code FBD4. Transaction code FBD4. So like normal document, every change has been recorded here. FBD4. Okay. Same path. Okay. Transaction code. So click on enter. And here click on all changes. Click on all changes. You can see here. New change, old one. Changes on document header text. Change it from recording, recurring non-sequential to EMI provisional entry. Clear? Everything, whatever changes, we have made changes 36 to 42,000. Right? Reference, change it to REC01 to EMI 22. Right? If you can.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Click field names. And here, what are the tables will be get affected? That also we can.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Write down last step. Delete a recurring documents. Delete a recurring document. Okay. Okay. See, we can't directly delete the recurring document like sample document. Okay.
Okay.
It has two steps. We need to delete in two different ways. Two steps. First one, set deletion flag for recurring document. Select. Okay. Select deletion flag for recurring document. It's a two steps activity. Okay.
Select.
Sorry.
Select.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Set deletion flag, right?
Set deletion flag for recurring document. Right on. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above till recurring document.
Okay.
Select recurring document. Path same as above till recurring document. From there, select change. Okay, step number one. Change. And transaction code is FBD2. First we need. Okay, change. Okay. Okay. Set deletion flag for FBD2. Double click on change. Give the document number. For example, okay, document number, company code, and fiscal year.
Okay.
So here from view menu, click recurring entry data. From view menu, select recurring entry data. From view menu, select recurring entry data. So Here we can select deletion indicator. Select deletion indicator.
Okay.
Okay. So click on save button. So this is step number 1. Now second step, delete recurring data, recurring document. Path same as above till recurring document.
1 minute.
Same as above till recurring document.
Oh, no, the second step, the name. What is the
Delete recurring document, right?
name? Delete. Okay.
Path same as above till recurring document. And select delete. Transaction code F.56. F.56.
F.56.
Yes. Delete F.56. F.56.
Okay.
Give you a company code UT01. I'll try to delete both the documents. It's 9-1, right?
9-1.
Okay. So I'm trying to delete both the documents. But we have flagged how many documents? Deletion documents?
Only one.
Only one, that is 1/1. Correct?
Yes.
But I'm
Yes.
trying to both the documents.
Okay.
So here, fiscal year 2022. Okay. If you execute it, it will show an error.
Yes.
Clear? Only one. See here, it is not showing the other document.
Yes.
Okay, press back button. Remove test run and execute. Remove test run and execute. Okay. So it is asking, do you want to run it? Okay. Write down this message.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, if we say yes, then the payment document will be deleted and the provisional document will be there. Okay, so you can say yes. That's it. You can see, you can write it. Clear? Any questions?
So this document got deleted.
Correct. Payment document got deleted. Clear?
Yes.
That's it about recurring document. Okay, and next session we will see the account assignment model.
Okay.
It was a complete step, sequential step for.
So how many steps are only 3 steps? Okay.
Don't go with the steps because here I have not mentioned all the steps here. Maybe. Clear? As per your questions, the steps will increase.
Okay.
If you have any questions, then I'll input in the notes.
Okay. The recurring documents topic is very lengthy, right?
Not lengthy. This is the process.
Okay. Yeah. Process is very lengthy.
I have shown you. If I want to show you only the manual process,
Yes.
or I want to show only the
One document.
automatic process, then it would be a little small, right?
Yes, very small.
That's what I want to show you, the complete end to end. That's the
Yes.
reason it is looking like a lengthy.
Yes. Exactly.
If I skip this one manual one, If I directly show the automatic, he won't ask for manual one.
Yes, yes, sir.
That's what. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And no one has joined. Thank you.
Thanks, Naveen.
Raj,
Yes, yes.
can you share this one, what we call meeting request to Shravan in the group?
Okay, I will share it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.